This is the Rottweiler Performance full intake system made specifically for the KTM 790 and 890 adventure models. Now these systems are available at accessoryinternational.com. Make sure to check them out online and be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for all of our latest news and content. Guys, this is the Rottweiler Performance Air Intake System. It's all about performance here. You're looking at a 10 horsepower increase to your KTM 790 and 890 adventure models. We're talking about 10 horsepower on bikes that have between 90 and 100 and change horsepower. So 10 horsepower is a significant increase, almost up to 10% on some of those bikes. So you're looking at a big power gain once you install this system on the bike. Now looking at the actual design of the system, starting off here, you see we have a velocity stack design. So what is that velocity stack design? Well, it acts as a funnel. You see when we start off on the top, you've got a larger diameter which is going to funnel down into a more narrow diameter on the bottom. So just like a funnel, what that does is going to funnel all of that air straight down and ultimately is going to feed more oxygen at a more rapid pace into the engine. And again, it's going to be a lot of the magic that happens in this system that's going to provide more air and going to give you those performance increases you're looking for. Now, why is this intake system such a tremendous upgrade from your original system? Well, first off, it's going to allow you to remove that restrictive air box as well as the original air duct. That air duct on the stock versions of the bike really tend to allow more dust to come into the engine, dust and debris, and it's going to force you to periodically give more maintenance to the bike to ensure it's running well. But with this new air box in the kit, you see the design completely open on the top, so that's going to allow for a ton of airflow, again going back to all the performance increases. Now with the full system, you're also going to get this filter element, which is going to prevent, again, some of the dust and debris from entering, going to offer you a good amount of protection from the pollution that can enter your system. Now if you like the sound of the protection aspect that you get from this kit, but maybe you're not fully ready to commit to a larger price tag that a kit like this would bring, and maybe you don't want all the performance increases, and again, you really just want that protection which this is going to offer you, well, then we also offer what's known as the pre-filter kit, or we also call it the Adventure Power Plate. Now this kit is a perfect budget-minded alternative for riders who, again, maybe you want the intake protection, but you don't want all the power increases and that higher price tag of the full system. So the power plate is going to allow you to remove that stock air duct, which is located towards the rear end of the motorcycle, which is sucking in all the dirty air, and it's going to replace it with a much more efficient system to protect your motorcycle. Guys, also keep in mind that these specific kits we have in front of us do come in the standard black plastic construction, but we also offer a variety of different finishes, which also range from orange plastic construction, a matte carbon fiber, or a glossy black carbon fiber. Now, ultimately, the Rottweiler Performance Air Intake System is a perfect alternative for riders who want to switch out their stock air system for this Rottweiler that's going to give all of those performance increases, increase that low end torque, and really give you a more enjoyable riding experience. Now if you have any questions for us regarding these systems, please always feel free to reach out. We have a full USA based support team which is more than happy to answer your questions. You can reach us at 786-242-5400. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for all of our latest news. We will be rolling out videos as often as we can, so we got a lot of content coming for you guys, so make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on those post notifications as well. My name is Alex here at Accessories International. Thank you so much for tuning in today.